Hi there, folks. Sean Bartlett from the Oxford Club. I'm here in New Orleans, and I'm speaking to Ryan King. Now, who's he? He's the nice gentleman we spoke to just before we bought Newmarket. That's that Australian high-grade gold producer that we picked up, put in the portfolio, and so a lot of things have been going on with the company. Ryan's going to give us an update. Ryan, could you please speak to my subscribers?
Absolutely. Thanks again for having myself and Newmarket on the show. So Newmarket Gold recently has announced a business combination with Kirkland Lake Gold. We believe this is an incredible value opportunity for all shareholders of both sides, and with the combination, you have two Tier 1 mining jurisdictions. Sean, you have gold production in Canada, and you have gold production in Australia. You know, those are two of the top mining jurisdictions in the world. The combined company is going to have over 500,000 ounces of annual gold production. The combined company is going to have a very strong balance sheet of over 300 million Canadian in cash. And what I think is very exciting about the opportunity is you've got this very high-grade underground mine in Ontario called Macassa. It's got 1.5 million ounces of gold in reserve at 19.2 grams per ton gold. You've got a lot of exploration happening at that mine right now with 6 diamond drill rigs on surface testing the extensions of their mineralization. And then in Australia, you've got the Fosterville gold mine where Newmarket made an incredible discovery there last year. We've continued to have exploration success on that mine. So the combined company is going to have over $40 million spent on exploration. And for me as a shareholder and for you as shareholders, that's very exciting because you're going to have continuous drill result news coming out over the number of months as we close this combination and going forward. And the new company, I believe, will be called Kirkland Lake Gold.
Okay, so the actual vote on that is next month in November, right?
Correct.
What happens then?
The last week in November is a shareholder vote. On the Newmarket side, it would be, the shareholders would need simple majority for Newmarket. And on the Kirkland Lake side, they need 66 2/3 for everything to proceed. Based on the meetings we've had with significant large institutional shareholders, things have gone well. Once we've explained the deal, shown what it looks like, most of the institutional shareholders that we've met with are very happy with what looks like this business combination. And so, it really depends on what the shareholders vote on at that point in time. We think it will go ahead and close. And then from there, it would be a new company called Kirkland Lake Gold. They'd have about 200 million shares issued and outstanding. And as I said, about 500,000 ounces of gold production a year and be one of the top mid-tier mining companies in the world.
Okay, great. Well, I just wanted that update from you so that the folks can really know what's going on there. Thanks very much for explaining that to them. You folks stay tuned. I still think it's a great company to own. It's a combination of two very strong gold companies into an even stronger entity.
So for every share you own in Newmarket Gold, you'll end up owning 0.475 shares of the new company.
Right.
You know, as of today, when you look at our price to cash flow, this is the pro forma combined company now. The price to cash flow or the enterprise value to ounce of production, when you look at us versus our peer group, we are fairly undervalued. So for example, our peer average is 4,900 enterprise value to ounce of production, whereas the pro forma new company is only trading at 2,200 enterprise value to ounce of production. So we do think there's a value creation opportunity. We know that the new CEO and team are going to be very dedicated and working hard for their shareholders, and I just look forward to the future. I think it's going to be a very exciting time.
Okay, great. Thanks very much for tuning in, folks. I'll have more for you from New Orleans.